Hello everyone, bonjour à tous, and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 201, numéro 201. In today's lesson, I will share with you 10 common regular ER verbs that every beginner needs to know. Now quickly, what is a regular ER verb? So first, an ER verb is simply a French verb that ends with the letters ER in its infinitive form. For example, parler, to speak. It ends with the letters ER. Aimer, to like or to love, ends with the letter ER. Or marcher, to walk. Same thing. Now, most of those verbs ending in ER, not all of them, but that's a topic for another day, but most of them are regular verbs because they follow the same conjugation pattern in the present tense, which makes them a great place to start as a beginner. Now, in this episode, I'll give you 10 regular French ER verbs with their English translation and an example sentence in the present tense so you can hear how it's used in context. Now, as usual, before we start, if you are new to the podcast, welcome. Please make sure you have your lessons cheat sheet handy so you can see the spelling of the words while you listen. I'll also share in the cheat sheet the full conjugation table for each of those verbs in the present tense. So go and download that. It is free. Once you've listened to this episode, you can head over to the French Made Easy exercise library to download your lessons exercises and practice what you've learned today. Everything is linked for you in the episode notes and it is free as well. All right, so let's get started with our 10 verbs. Please repeat after me so you can practice your pronunciation as well. First one is parler, to speak. Parler. Je parle français avec ma voisine. I speak French with my neighbor. Je parle français avec ma voisine. Next one, aimer, to like or to love. Aimer. Je n'aime pas les épinards. I don't like spinach. Je n'aime pas les épinards. Regarder, to watch. Regarder. Elle regarde une série. She's watching a series. Elle regarde une série. Écouter, to listen. Écouter. Nous écoutons un podcast. We are listening to a podcast. Nous écoutons un podcast. Travailler, to work. Travailler. Il travaille à la maison. He works from home. Il travaille à la maison. Habiter, to live. Habiter. Où est-ce que tu habites? Where do you live? Où est-ce que tu habites? Marcher, to walk. Marcher. Je marche tous les matins. I walk every morning. Je marche tous les matins. Donner, to give. Donner. Elle donne un cadeau à son ami. She gives a gift to her friend. Elle donne un cadeau à son ami. Arriver, to arrive. Le train arrive à 8 heures. The train arrives at 8 o'clock. Le train arrive à 8 heures. Jouer, to play. Jouer. Il joue au football. They play soccer. Il joue au football. Now, that is it for our verbs. So let's just do a little recap of those 10 verbs. Parler, to speak. Aimer, to like or to love. Regarder, to watch. Écouter, to listen. Travailler, to work. Habiter, to live. Marcher, to walk. Donner, to give. Arriver, to arrive. And last one, jouer, to play. And that is it for today's episode on 10 common regular ER French verbs. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to go and download your episode exercises to practice what you've learned today and to practice the conjugation of each of those verbs. Thank you so much for listening. I will chat with you in the next episode. Bye. Before you go, let me ask you something. Do you feel like you kind of know French, but when it comes to actually speaking, you freeze? If that's you, I made something just for you. It's called the French Fluency Gap Guide. And inside, you'll discover the 5 fluency pillars every French learner needs. You see exactly where you're on track, where you're stuck, and what to focus on next. It's completely free and you can get it right now. You'll find the link waiting for you in the show notes.